Are you looking for the best resin 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best resin 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. ANYCUBIC 4K Plus Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC 4K Plus Resin 3D Printer, also known as the Photon Mono 2, is a cutting-edge 3D printing device designed to offer users an enhanced printing experience with advanced features. One of its standout features is its 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD screen with an impressive resolution of 4096 by 2560 pixels. This high-resolution screen is capable of accurately reproducing 3D printing models, ensuring that even the most subtle details are faithfully represented. Additionally, the screen is equipped with an ultra-large scratch-resistant protector to prevent damage from scratches and resin penetration. With a remarkable 95% light transmittance, it not only safeguards the LCD screen but also maintains precise printing accuracy. In terms of print volume, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 offers a larger printing size compared to its predecessor, the Photon Mono 4K, with dimensions of 143 by 89 by 165, 5.6 x 3.5 x 6.5. This 3D printer provides users with 20% more space to work with. Notably, this larger print volume is complemented by faster printing speeds, as the exposure time for single-layer printing has been significantly reduced to just 1.5 to 3 seconds. This improvement results in substantial time savings and greatly enhances overall printing efficiency. The increased print volume and reduced exposure times afford users greater freedom and flexibility to bring their creative ideas to life. Number 2. Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K LCD Resin 3D Printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device designed to meet the demands of enthusiasts and professionals seeking unparalleled precision and speed in their 3D printing projects. This printer boasts several remarkable features that set it apart in the world of resin-based 3D printing. The Sonic Mini 4K impresses with its ultra-high-definition capabilities, offering a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. This results in an astonishingly high pixel density of 722 ppi, pixels per inch. The highest PPI ever seen in 3D printers. With a layer height of just 35 micrometers, this printer delivers exceptional detail, making it an excellent choice for crafting intricate miniatures, small tabletop items, and even jewelry pieces. It empowers creators to bring their most detailed visions to life with unparalleled precision. Number 3. Elegu Resin 3D Printer, Mars 3 Pro. The Elegu Resin 3D Printer, Mars 3 Pro, is a cutting-edge 3D printing device designed to offer high-resolution and precise printing capabilities. This printer incorporates several notable features. The Mars 3 Pro boasts a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen equipped with a replaceable anti-scratch tempered glass featuring 9H hardness. This feature not only enhances light transmittance but also provides excellent protection for the screen. The high resolution of 4098 by 2560 ensures that intricate model details are faithfully reproduced. This 3D printer is equipped with an upgraded freeform surface cob lens that consists of 36 highly integrated UV LED lights. These lights are paired with Fresnel lenses, which deliver a uniform beam of 405 nanometers wavelength UV light. This technology results in a smoother surface finish and remarkable printing quality. The Elegu Mars 3 Pro offers a generous build volume measuring 143.43 times 89.6 times 175 millimeters, 5.647 times 3.52 times 6.8 inches. This ample space allows for the creation of large 3D models or the efficient batch printing of multiple objects in a single job. Such flexibility saves time and significantly boosts productivity. Number 4. Elegu Saturn 2 Msla 3D Printer. The Elegu Saturn 2 Msla 3D Printer is a cutting-edge resin-based 3D printer that offers impressive features for high-quality and efficient 3D printing. One of its standout features is its 10-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen, which boasts an HD resolution of 7680 by 4320 and an ultrafine XE resolution of 28.5 microns. This results in exceptionally detailed 3D models with a remarkably fast curing time of only 13 seconds per layer. The LCD screen is further protected by scratch-resistant tempered glass with a 9H hardness, ensuring better light transmission and durability. In terms of printing volume, the Elegu Saturn 2 offers a 43% larger build volume compared to its predecessor, measuring 219 by 123 by 215, 8.62 by 4.84 by 9.84 inches. This larger build volume, combined with the 10-inch monochrome LCD screen, enables users to print larger models or multiple smaller models in a single batch, making it a versatile choice for various 3D printing projects. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer is a cutting-edge 3D printing device known for its remarkable capabilities in delivering high-resolution prints and intricate details. At the heart of its features is its exceptional 22 micrometers, 1152p ultra-high resolution, which sets it apart from all other consumer electronics in the market. This level of resolution makes it the ideal choice for creating extremely detailed miniatures, intricate bust sculpts, and other intricate objects. One of the key technologies contributing to this high level of detail is the linear projection LED module, which enhances light uniformity, ensuring that the printer can produce superb and sharp models. Even the tiniest details that might be lost on a low-resolution printer become visible and well-defined when using the Sonic Mini 8K. To further enhance the quality and stability of prints, the Sonic Mini 8K is equipped with ultra-stable dual linear rails. These rails minimize the phenomenon of Z-axis nodding during the printing process, guaranteeing that you can consistently produce high-quality models with extreme stability.